Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can use Smart Mockups in Canva. Go to your homepage and select Smart Mockups. Then you are going to select the mockup you want. I'm just going to go to Apparel, and I'm just going to go to T-shirts, long T-shirts for me. Some of them you need to have Canva Pro, but this one's free. Select it. And I'm just going to wait for this to load. Then you are going to select, and I'm just going to select this image. Press select again, and wait for the mockup to sort of load. Then you can adjust the image. Oops, sorry. Make sure you align it. And select save and view your image again. And if you're done with that, just select save mockup. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!